Good morning, families. How are you guys today? I'm going to go ahead and go over today's instructional video for today's worksheets. Today is Monday. Sorry, yawn. Today you're going to be moving those fingers as you write the numbers 1 to 80, and you're also going to practice your handwriting skills by writing all of your family members' name. This week there's a sun down here on the bottom, so every task you complete, you get to add a sun ray, and your goal is to get to 10 sun rays, and there are some bonus opportunities up here so you can get some extra sun rays. And then, of course, if you are completing the tic-tac-toe, your goal is to try to get 3 in a row. For every tic-tac-toe activity you complete, you could put a sun ray down here at the bottom too. I can't stop yawning. Oh my goodness. All right, blooming words. They are going to write the CBC word next to the flower with the picture. A CBC word is just a word that is spelled with a consonant, a vowel, and then a consonant. So it's a 3-letter word that your child should be able to sound out. So let's take a look at the pictures. We have, this is nap, pad, pen, cop, cut, sun, sit, fin, can, and cat. So they're going to stretch it out. So for nap, they would stretch out nap. Nap. I would ask them, what sound do you hear first? Hopefully they would say, that's letter N. Then they would be able to sound the next sound, that's letter A. P. And then finally a letter P. So their goal is to stretch and write the sounds they hear in order. For their writing, they're going to do summer day writing. They're going to write or draw about a real or made up summer fun day. There's a word bank down here to help them. Remember that when your students write, we want to make sure that we don't spell all of the words for them. I would give them a sight word list so they can find their sight words. And then if it's a word they don't know, a word that's not in the word bank, they can try to sound it out. We like our kids to spell phonetically just so they're practicing all those sounds. So make sure you're doing that. They can write a sentence like, I like to ride my bike. Or I like to go swimming. And of course, they want to remember to put their capital letters at the beginning, starting nice and tall up here at the top, coming all the way down to the bottom. Their lowercase letters, unless it's a tall lowercase letter, should start at this dotted line. And then if there are any hanging letters, they should hang down below the line. And of course, we want to use those finger spaces and put punctuation at the end to make sure we're using our very best handwriting. And then when you're finished with your writing, 1 or 2 sentences about a fun summer day, then you can draw a picture and color the picture that matches it. For writing, you're reading the number on the ice cream and then counting on. So they're just starting at this number and then counting by ones on. So if you start with 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. This is a tricky skill for some of our kids. Some of them might even have to start at 1 to get to the number that's on the cone to figure out what comes next. But really try to encourage them to start at that number and count on. But if it is too tricky for them, they can start at 1. And then when they're finished, they can color in the ice cream cones. And that is all we have for today. I am going to scroll down to we have some science pages, or a science page at the end. This is a bonus science page. It's about comparing motion. So on this page, their job is just to read the sentence and to trace the word. And if you have scissors and glue at home, then you can cut out the picture to go with each sentence. So the car is fast, trace the word car. Which one of these pictures would go with it? This one would, so you would glue that picture. And the goal for this is just to get them to understand how things move, the different ways that things move. So a car zooms really fast, a ball rolls, paint spills, a balloon floats. So all of those are moving in different ways. So their goal is to just be able to compare the motion. And that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to me with any help that you might need. And I hope that you guys have a really great Monday.